Okay, hello. Let's see, we make this model, we name it mobile clamper body. This body you find is you given the front view, top view, and left side view. You find this left side is a half cylinder, and this one in the top one you find it here another half cylinder, and this one planar surfaces. You find it left is a smaller one. Okay, first one we make this base of it, and this one you can add it. You first one divide it 3 parts. This base and this one, another is here. Okay, let's see. First one we make the base of it. I gave the name is here and hit OK, and the unit is millimeter. It's my same method to make it, to build it. And extrude method, I will choose any one surfaces, sketch it. And first one, make the smaller circle in the middle. And next one, I will draw outside like this one. And then draw a line is here, draw a line is here. But not at this smaller one. I only draw this half of it. And here, from here to here. Oh, I large of it, no problem. And draw another line is here. Okay, I will delete it. Segment, this segment, delete it. Remember, smaller segment you must cut it. Only leave the euro lines is here. This one is here, and the radius, and the smaller circle is here. And this one only 1, 2, 3, 3 sides is here. This smaller one 28 is here, and this one is 50. Okay, 50, and this one only 30. But I will use the 30 minus this one. Okay, this one is 9, and use 30 minus 9, you will get only 21 millimeter, because I didn't draw this half, smaller one. 30 minus 9, you will get it. Okay, hit OK. This height, like this one, is 17 millimeters. Okay, hit OK. Next one, I will draw this one, but this big one horse, I didn't draw it because according to this one, you find smaller one is here. Okay, next one, I will extrude method, select the surfaces, I do it again, but this one, smaller one is same, so I can use the project. If your 2-time project is wrong, only 1 times of it. And this one, to it. Another one is a smaller circle like this one, and from the middle to draw outside is here, and connect it from here to here, connect it from here to here. Okay, and this one I will delete it, this segment, delete it. But only this size, how many is it? It's 30, okay, 30 millimeter. But this line isn't aligned the center line, it's aligned, it's wrong, because this one is only given the 18. So I correct it, and I draw it here. Okay, I will first one draw a line. He's here from here to here, but here I draw it here about here. And this one I will delete segment is here. I draw it wrong. How can we, if I delete it, but I found this one isn't connected. You can connect it, but I connect it user curve connect it, or use this method, corner. Yes, corner from here to here, from here to here. And this one I can corner it, use radius 5 millimeters. Where is the radius? I will find it. Where is it? Oh, this one radius, circular. Okay, this one means circular. I will choose this line, and this line circular is here. And this line to circular is here. But they are equal together, so I will let them equal. Okay, from here to here, they are same. Okay, I only change the size is here. The size, how many? I will change it. 5 millimeter. Okay, you find here. Its radius is given. And this distance is dimension of it from here to here. Dimension of it is 18. Yes, 18 millimeters. Okay, finish all of them and finish it. And the height of it, you find it's 36 and minus 17. You will get 36 minus 17. You will get 19. Yes, 19 millimeters. 19. Yes, it's finished. And this, okay, see? And this size, I will draw another rectangle shape like this one, like rectangle shape. I choose these surfaces, basic surfaces. I choose it and extrude method to get it. And this edge, I will use it, so I will reference. Okay, reference it, or 2 times of it. And this point, I will choose it. Let's see, okay, I can choose it. And this rectangle, but this one I didn't find it. So I want to reference this line and this line. I will choose the corner of it, this corner point. I can choose it, I can select it. Okay, this one, smaller one, only 9 millimeters. Oh, sorry, 9 millimeter. Only this size is okay, because the length, they are equal together. Okay, this height on how many? I didn't find it. Okay, this one is 36 minus 29, 28. You will get 8 millimeters. 8. Only 8 millimeters. Minus, use 36 minus 30 minus 28, you will get it. It's right. Finish it. And this one is bigger one, horse is here. I will first one drill a smaller horse is here. They are equal together. Drill a horse. See here it is. First one is select the surfaces, and then touch the control. Use the left mouse control. Hold the control and this center. You will get it. Center axis, and this one you find it. Select the surfaces and select the axis. You will at the same time select them, and then diameter is 36 and depth 12 millimeter. You find this one is 12 millimeter. Okay. Okay, finish it. If you use the extrude method, you will finish it. It's okay. And this one smaller holes is here in these surfaces. I will choose these surfaces. I will drill the holes is here. Create a simple holes is here, but this create holes is how many? I'm six. So I will choose this one, and 6 millimeter. I will change it. Where is it? 6. Okay, this one 6 millimeters. But distance I didn't give it from here to the surfaces, from here to the up one. Okay, this distance, half of 78, you will get 38. 76, half of it, you will get 38. And this one, how many each? I will give it 14. Okay, 14 millimeters. I will finish it. But this one 10 and 12 millimeters. So I will find this 10. Okay, this one is 12 and this one is 10 millimeters. Okay, this one 10, this one 12. Okay, finish it. Another is the same, so you can use the mirror method. Choose this mirror surfaces, planar surfaces, and get it. Hit the middlemost, you will get it. Okay, these surfaces you have find chamfer. Okay, chamfer is C2, so select the chamfer is here, and this line, and 2 millimeters. Sorry. Okay, finish it. Okay, I will change the color of it, such as which color you like it. I like this one, this one, this one. Or anyone is here. Okay, let's see. I choose it. Okay, save it. Thank you for your watching my TV.